Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna. So today I'll be doing comparison video with you guys. Yes guys, this video is a comparison video, and if you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe button over there. I would be very happy if you will subscribe me. So let's start with this video. So today I'll be doing the comparison between three of the kajals that I have recently purchased. So I just want to show you all the kajals. So first kajal is this L'Oreal Paris Kajal Magique Bold. So yeah, first of all I will be taking up this. Then second one is this Colossal Kajal. Yeah, so this is the super black kajal. Earlier I have used that Colossal Kajal, but this is the super black one, which is quite new in the market. And then the third kajal is this Lakme Iconic Kajal. So today I'll be comparing these three kajals all together. So let's begin with this video. So first of all, I just want to talk about this L'Oreal Kajal Magique Bold. So first of all, we will be seeing its packaging. So its packaging is just like this. It comes in this cardboard, and it is the kajal pencil, which comes from the back like this. It is very typical to open this one and taken out the pencil. So here comes the pencil. This pencil is quite retractable. I mean, it is retractable. Yeah, so as you see here, it is a retractable pencil, and it's quite smooth in opening and closing down here. It is quite smooth working, and it just closes with this click. So it is quite good and friendly, user friendly, and you can also keep it in your traveling bags. So its price is 350 rupees, and for 350 rupees you will be getting 0.35 gram of product. So yeah, it is of 350 rupees. Then I just want to tell you what it claims. It claims that 25% more concentrated in black. So it claims that it is super black kajal, and it will not smudge so easy. So its pencil is like this. I just want to show you the swatch of this one first of all, then I will talk about this kajal. I will be showing you all the swatch here only. So after one stroke you will be getting this color. Then after multiple stroke you will be getting this color. Yeah, so as you see here, this super black color you will be getting from this L'Oreal Paris Magique. So it is giving a super black kajal, and it will be starting fading away from our waterline after 4 to 5 hours, and it is smudge proof, and it is also waterproof. Very super about this kajal. First of all, it comes in 350 rupees, which is affordable. Then secondly, it is smudge proof, and then thirdly, it is waterproof also, and it start fading away from my waterline after 4 to 5 hours. Then let's start with other kajal. What I am taking here is this Colossal Kajal in super black. So it also comes in this retractable pencil. So I just want to show you the pencil here. So it is also retractable, quite smooth working, and I just want to show you the swatch here. First of all, I will be showing you the swatch, then I will be talking about this product. So yeah, as you see here, so these are the swatches of this kajal, quite similar to this one. And this kajal is smudge proof, and it starts fading away after 5 to 6 hours from my waterline. I just feel about this product a little bit, it is dry, because I also used earlier Maybelline. It was also dry, but it is less dry in comparison to that earlier one, and it is quite smooth in wearing, but it is little bit dry. The only problem is this is that you will be facing some of the difficulty in applying this of the clean is not fully smudge proof and waterproof. It is water resistant and not fully smudge proof. It smudge a little bit if you can give pressure, a little hard pressure to your eyes. So yeah, this is the thing about this kajal. Then next move on to another kajal, which is from Lakme brand. So this is the Lakme kajal. Here comes it pencil. So it is also comes in this cardboard packaging, and then comes in this retractable pencil. I just want to show you the pencil. Yeah, so this is the pencil, and I just want to show you the swatch of this pencil also. So okay, I'm just giving the swatch over here. So yeah, Yeah, so these last ones are the swatch of this Lakme Iconic Kajal. So I just find that Lakme Iconic Kajal is the super black out of these three. So I just like the formula. Also, it is not that dry. It is very much smooth in working, and it also fades away after 5 to 6 hours from our eyes, from our waterline area. So it is quite a good thing that it is smudge proof, and it is, it has a staying power capacity with it, and also it is waterproof. So if you will ask me that what which kajal do I like most, so out of these three kajals I like this Lakme Iconic Kajal. So yeah, this one is my favorite till date. So this Lakme Iconic comes in 180 rupees, which is quite a good thing. So yes guys, this was my quick comparison between these three kajals. If you want any other comparison of any other things, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be trying to do that also. And if you like this video, please hit like to this video, and do not forget to share this video so that everyone can get the knowledge that which kajal is the most affordable one and the good one. So yeah, till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and take care, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care, bye.